To make an espresso using the Philips Baristino espresso machine, you first want to make sure that you've got plenty of water. This water tank comes off. You can go to the sink to fill it up. It just pops back on. After that, make sure that you have enough beans in your hopper. These need to be whole coffee beans. Your espresso will be ground fresh for each espresso that you order. This button on your espresso machine is for a single espresso. This button is for a lungo espresso. That's the same amount of coffee, but more water. Let's do a single today. I can press this button if I choose to actually add more ground coffee, and this will make my espresso stronger. The portafilter is here. You pull it straight out and you always verify that it's empty. To empty it, there's a button on the bottom and you can just pop it out into the trash can and it will be emptied. You'll hear it click and snap into place. You can push from the side or from the handle, but you're going to take the portafilter over to this side where the beans will be ground and placed in it. Now that the beans have been ground, the Baristino will also tamp into a puck and then start brewing your espresso under pressure. This is not a drip machine, this is a true espresso machine. I suggest that you wait till the lights actually go off until you take your espresso. This way you'll make sure you get every drop and that the drip cup doesn't get some of your coffee. Now that the light is off, you can see your espresso in the cup with the crema on top.